I was talking to him. I said, hey, the yard's pretty flat. Not much of a grade to it. You think you can work with it? So we walked around the house, looked in the crawl space at the pond that was underneath the house. And they said that they could take care of the water, and it was a lifetime guarantee. I got to do a little bit of thinking, and I realized with a lifetime guarantee, I no longer had a water problem. Helitech now had a water problem. So they did the work, and here we are in 2025, in the spring, almost 9 years later. We've just come through a terrible 2025 weather situation. Half inch of ice in January, followed by 60-mile-an-hour winds for a week and a half in March. And then we had the tornadoes and all the rain that came in April. We got 7 inches of rain. I was nervous. I went to the side of the house. I knew I had to check. I cracked open the entryway into the crawl space, turned my flashlight on, turned the light on in the crawl space. Voila, it was dry. So happy with Helitech that I gave him a call to let him know I needed a W and I got a big one. Great shout out to Bo and the Helitech family. Wonderful job. 100% satisfaction. Thanks much, guys.